Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Caramel Coils here again with another video. So I'm sure you guys guessed from the title of this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Camille Rose Signature Collection. Yes, I know I'm late, but I guess I was just so caught up in the coconut water collection that I just never really got around to trying this line. But yeah, so I'm going to start off by washing my hair, drenching my hair in water first, and then going in with the Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse. So y'all already know my history when it comes to shampoos. I wouldn't say traumatized, but at one point in time, shampoos were just really drying. They really stripped my hair and made the shampooing and the wash day process just really annoying. So I'm always a little cautious whenever I'm trying new shampoos. But sis, let me tell you, this shampoo right here, well, for starters, you guys can see that it has an amazing lather. It's really rich, but it does not strip my hair of any moisture. When I rinsed my hair out, I don't know if you guys remember what my hair looked like, how crusty, dry, and matted my hair looked before I shampooed my hair. And now look how my hair just lays so nicely. My curls are a little defined. My hair isn't stiff at all. Cause I think that's one way I can determine whether or not I like a shampoo. If when I'm done shampooing my hair looks really stiff and just dry, it's a no for me. But as y'all can see, that wasn't the case for this shampoo at all. So now that I've rinsed out that shampoo, I'm going in with the Moroccan Pear Conditioning Custard. Bro, the names of these products just sound so rich and just lavish. She really did that. But anywho, back to this conditioner. So I'm not gonna lie, when I first applied the conditioner to my hair, I was a little like I didn't really know how to feel about it, but I realized that I wasn't using enough water. Once you get that water to product ratio down, sis, it's a wrap. Like, you see how the brush is just gliding through my hair. My curls are clumping so nicely. So like I said, y'all, her products are just really rich and concentrated. So you want to make sure that you are balancing it out with water. Look at them coils, y'all. Oh my gosh. You would think that because it's my hair, I'd be used to it by now. But I don't know, man. I guess different products just, obviously, they bring different results. So I'm amazed every single time. But I'm just going to let you guys finish watching me detangle my hair so you guys can see for yourself how this conditioner works. Okay, just kidding, I'm back, y'all. I meant to say that the instructions for the conditioner says to leave it in for about 5 to 10 minutes before you rinse it out, just so that the nutrients and vitamins have time to penetrate and do what they do. I didn't necessarily do that, yet my hair still managed to feel really, really soft after, so I can only imagine if I actually waited. But now let's get into this deep conditioner. So this Algae Renew Deep Conditioning Mask, first of all, smells like cake batter, like most of her products do. It is also really, really rich and concentrated, so you really don't need much at all. A little goes a long way, and it just melts into my hair. I love the fact that I don't have like a bunch of excess products. You know, my hair just eats it up. You guys can see for yourself how moisturized and shiny my hair looks. Oh my gosh. But as most of you guys know, I'm low porosity, so in order to really get the benefits of the deep conditioner, I have to sit under the dryer. So I went ahead and did that for about 20 minutes, and then I rinse it out. Now I'm going to begin styling my hair. I'm going to start off with the Curl Love Moisture Milk. Y'all already know that I'm a little extra when it comes to my products. I like to layer on, so I go in with the leave-in, I go in with the cream, and then I go in with the gel. So I'll be using all 3 of the styling products from this line. But before I get into that, I will say that this moisture milk is super, super moisturizing. I typically tend to lean towards water-based leave-ins rather than milks. So I was actually pleasantly surprised. It's very, very moisturizing, lightweight at the same time, but very, very moisturizing. Because it's so lightweight, I just personally couldn't see myself just going in with the milk and then going right in with the gel after. If you see this section right here, it's still pretty poofy. Y'all should already know that I have different curl types and different patterns all over my head. So there are some sections that are going to react better to certain products, you know. So I need that full coverage, and leave-ins typically just don't give that for me. They're a great primer. And you can see right here in this section, like my hair reacted really, really well to the milk. And I probably could have gotten away with just going in with the curl maker right after. But, you know, then you have the middle section that is a little different. And then the back section also reacted really, really well. But I think you guys get my gist. So if your hair doesn't require as much hold, if you don't have to layer your products like me, then I definitely think that this moisture milk is a great hydrating, moisturizing foundation to any style, whether it's a wash and go, twist out, whatever the case may be. But let's get into this Almond Joy Twisting Butter, baby. Oh my gosh. So this, I feel like, is very similar to the milk. as far as what it does, it's just a little heavier. Well, definitely a lot heavier because, you know, one is a milk, one is a butter. So it's definitely heavier in consistency. So that caused my curls to clump a lot better, define my curls a little better, and also helped me lay my roots. So the milk also, that's another thing about the milk. It didn't, you know, lay my roots, but that's perfectly fine. I don't expect leave-ins to have my roots flat. They're just used to moisturize. So now this butter was able to lay my roots, give me a little more definition, a little more clumpage, and even more moisture. I promise you all, this entire line is just packed with moisture, just layers of moisture on top of layers of moisture and more moisture. But you guys can see now that I finished styling my hair with the butter. My hair is definitely a lot more defined, extremely moisturized, but there's no way that I can just walk away like this. I definitely gotta go in with the gel. So I'm going in with the curl maker that everybody raves and talks about. See, I initially didn't know how to feel because, as y'all can see, that gel is extremely like slippery, very lightweight. Well, not necessarily lightweight. It's lightweight in that it's obviously not the same consistency as like a wet line gel or Eco Styler gel, but it definitely has the hold. So I really honestly wasn't expecting the gel to have so much hold. It really defined my hair in a way that I'm not typically used to, honestly. I'm used to my curls being super clumped and that type of definition. See, my curls were defined, but they weren't as clumped. I don't know if that makes sense. I'm sure you guys can see what I'm talking about, but it's just different. And like, it left my hair really, really shiny, and the gel is like really moisturizing. It's not often that I find gels that are actually moisturizing. Like, they provide you with hold, but moisture as well. And another thing, I noticed that this gel really helped lay my hair. You guys saw how poofy my hair was after using the milk and butter. This really helped to lay my hair flat on my head, and my curls were just popping. And of course, like I said, it reacts differently in different parts of my hair. So the front of my hair, love this entire collection. Like, it really did. Well, my whole head did, but y'all get what I'm saying. Like, the front of my hair is just going crazy with the definition and the clumpage and all that. I'm actually really excited to experiment and pair the curl maker with, you know, other products, and not just the curl maker, but all the products from this line, y'all. They're all so moisturizing. I would love to pair them with some of my other favorite products and see my results. If you guys have any recommendations as to product combos, please let me know. Let me know in the comment section. Y'all know the front left side of my hair likes to play me, so I'm just bobby pinning that out of the way. And these are my finished results. So my hair obviously is still wet, but I've just finished styling it. I applied a little curl maker to my edges and tried to lay them a little bit. And yeah, so these are my finished results. I'm going to come back to you guys once my hair is dried and stretched. So you guys, these are finished results of this wash and go. Probably the most moisturized wash and go I've had in a really long time. Probably not the most defined. I wouldn't say, you guys know I like my curls to be super, super clumped, and not every product does that. So I wouldn't say it's the most defined, but definitely one of the most moisturized. Can't always have both, but at the end of the day, moisture over definition, because your hair can be super defined and not moisturized. I keep putting my hands in my hair, and after I'm done playing with it, I rub my hands together and they just feel so soft, so moisturized. It's like the moisture from my hair is transferring over to my hands, and that's just such a great feeling. I want to say it's the curl maker that's just so moisturizing. Definitely the most moisturizing gel I've ever used. I was a little skeptical initially because of the consistency. You know, it's a little sticky, a little tacky, but it still managed to hold my hair. I actually have a bit of a crunch. Like, my hair has a bit of a gel cast. Gel cast has never been a problem for me as long as my curls are defined and as long as my hair is moisturized. I don't mind a little bit of crunch. So if you guys are looking for super moisturizing products, or if you're just looking for products to help maintain the overall health of your hair, then I definitely recommend all of the products from this line. But let me know what you guys think of my results of this wash and go, my wash day in general. Are you guys looking to try any of these products? Have you already tried some of these products? What were your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section. I'm curious to know if you guys had a similar experience to me. But that concludes this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next week.